So this is our end goal. Okay, start up by selecting the light and the cube, then press X, then press delete. Then we press Shift A to create a new mesh that is an isosphere. Great. Then we go over to modifiers and we search for a subdivision modifier and we change this value to 2. Great. Then we go down to particles, press plus to add a new particle system. And if you now press the playback, you can see that it's emitting small balls. It's great. We want to change this value to 50 so we have a quicker update. And then we want this to just go boom. So we want the frame to start at 1 and end at 1. So let's change this value. And if we start the playback, we can see that it's go all by 1. Great, but it still doesn't have any speed, so we need to change this. So we change the velocity value to maybe 15. Let's try the playback. Great. That's what we want, and we maybe want the lifetime to 40. Great. So now we need to add some lights to this, and we can also set up the camera. So maybe we go here and press Ctrl Alt 0 like that, and we need to add another isosphere. So let's just press Shift A, Mesh, Isosphere, and we can just press G, drag it out. And for this one we need to add a material. So go down to Material, press New, and we can also change the type. So let's just press this one and change it to Emission. I want my firework to be blue. Let's drag it over here. I want the strength of the firework to be 50. Great. If you now select the ball, select the particle system, scroll down to render, and then instead of halo, choose object. And we now take the pimpet and select the ball. And if you now try to render it, they are blue. Great. But we still see the emitter, so we need to change this. So let's uncheck the emitter. And let's go to render settings. We also want to have motion blur. And if we now try to render this, we have some motion blur. Great, but we don't have any glow from the light. So let's go to compositing, check the use nodes, drag this over here, Shift A and search for a glare node, drag it in, and instead of streaks, we want to use bloom. Great. And we can go back to layout and we can press F12. Great, and we now have the fireworks. And if we just set up the camera a little more, so G, Z, Z, drag it back, and we can replay back again and just press F12. Done. So this is how we do a firework. Thanks for watching, and if you like stuff like this, please like and subscribe. Bye.